everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can fix your login error on your Instagram app itself. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So the first major reason for your login error could be that you have forgotten your correct username, correct email or number that you use to log in itself, and you have forgotten your password. And the other thing that could be is that your app is just working slow, that your network is a little bit of shaky and it's not connected very well. So you can make sure that your connection is good. Then you can simply switch to your mobile data, or you can again go into another Wi-Fi network that you have available on your device itself. And the other thing that you can do is you will simply go to your Play Store and check if your app is updated or not. If it's not updated, that could be one of the reasons. Then we will simply tap on your app, and then you will see the option called update. If it's not, then you will simply tap on that, update your app, and that will kind of refresh your app also and will work better than it was before. Make sure you consider all of the problems that I have mentioned over here. If you are all of the problems that I mentioned here, and if you try now resolve with those, I am really sure that your problem with your login error for your Instagram app will be resolved easily. So yeah, this is it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. Do leave comments below regarding the issues that you're having and you would like to have videos in future, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.